today our topic is computation of DFT using radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm for a given sequence. Now, taking an example as xn is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here, length of the sequence is n is equal to 8. If we draw the pictorial view of 8-point DFT, then the diagram is like as follows. Now, if we compute this DFT by using the radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm, we have to change the order of the input sequence as bit reversal method. x0, x2, x5, x7 position remains same, and x1, x3, x4 and x6 position will be changed. Here length of the sequence is 8. We know that n is equal to r to the power v, where r is called as radix or base of the FFT algorithm and v indicates number of stages in FFT algorithm. And here we use radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm so that r is equal to 2. Now we can write 8 is equal to 2 to the power v, so v is equal to 3. So we easily conclude that required number of stages be 3. Now we draw the signal flow graph of 8-point FFT as radix 2 DIT algorithm. There are 3 stages. First we write inputs, then draw the first stage. Here first stage is colored by blue. Next second stage colored by orange, and third stage colored by green, and taking output from third stage. Now we put node name for output of every stage. For first stage we put node name as A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. For second stage we use B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. And for third stage we use C0, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Now as third stage is the final stage, we can neglect this C0, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 as we can take output from x0 to x7. Here 4 numbers of Tweedle factor are being used: w8 to the power 0, w8 to the power 1, w8 to the power 2, w8 to the power 3. We know that wn to the power m is equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi m by n, and that's equal to cos 2 pi m by n minus j sin 2 pi m by n. So using this formula we can calculate w8 to the power 0 as e to the power minus j 2 pi 0 by 8, and that's equal to 1. And w8 to the power 1 is equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi 1 by 8, and that's equal to cos 2 pi 1 by 8 minus j sine 2 pi 1 by 8 and equal to 0.7071 minus j 0.7071. So from this formula, w to 8 to the power 2 is equal to minus j and w8 to the power 3 is equal to minus 0.7071 minus j 0.7071. Now from total 8-point FFT diagram, first we calculate first stage of the FFT. So for first stage, inputs are given sequence, and outputs are named as A0. A0 is equal to x0 plus w8 to the power 0 into x4. Here x0 is equal to 1 and x4 is equal to 2 and w8 to the power 0 is equal to 1, so that a0 is equal to 1 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 3. Now a1 is equal to x0 minus 1 into w8 to the power 0 into x4, and that's equal to minus 1. Same as a2 calculated by x2 and x6, and that's equal to 3. a3 also calculated from x2 and x6, and that's equal to minus 1. a4 calculated from x1 and x5, and that's equal to 3. a5 also calculated from x1 and x5, and that's equal to minus 1. a6 calculated from x3 and x7 is equal to 3, and a7 calculated from x3 and x7, and that's equal to minus 1. So from first stage we got 8 output A0 to A7. Now we calculate second stage. For second stage, inputs are A0 to A7, which was calculated in previous stage. From previous stage, we got the value of A0 is equal to 3, A1 is equal to minus 1, and so on. And output of the second stage named as B0, B1, B2, B3 and to B7. Now B0 is equal to A0 plus A2 into W8 to the power 0. That's equal to 3 plus 1 into 3 and is equal to 6. Now for B1 is equal to A1 plus A3 into W8 to the power 2, and W8 to the power 2 is equal to minus j, so that minus 1 plus minus j into minus 1, and that's equal to minus 1 plus j. Now next B2 is equal to A0 plus A2 into W8 to the power 0 into minus 1, and that's equal to 3 in minus 1 into 3 is equal to 0, and A3 is equal to A1 plus A3 into W8 to the power 2 into minus 1 is equal to B3, and that's equal to minus 1 minus j. Same as before, calculated from A4 and A6, and that's equal to 6. A5 plus W8 to the power A7 is equal to B5, and that's equal to minus 1 plus j. B6 is equal to A4 minus W8 to the power 0 A6, and that's equal to 0. And B7 is equal to A5 minus W8 to the power 0 A7, and that's equal to minus 1 minus j. Now we'll calculate third stage. For third stage, inputs are B0 to B7. B0 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 1 plus j, B2 is equal to 0, B3 is equal to minus 1 minus j, B4 is equal to 6, B5 is equal to minus 1 plus j, B6 is equal to 0, B7 is equal to minus 1 minus j, as calculated in previous stage. And outputs are x0 to x7. Now x0 is equal to B0 plus B4 into W8 to the power 0, and W8 to the power 0 is equal to 1, so that x0 is equal to 6 plus 1 into 6 is equal to 12. Now x1 is equal to B1 plus W8 to the power 1 into B5, and that's equal to minus 1 plus 2.4142 into j. And x2 is equal to B2 plus W8 to the power 2 into B6, B2 plus W8 to the power 2 into B6, where W8 to the power 2 is equal to minus j, so that x2 is equal to 0, and x3 is equal to B3 plus B7 into W8 to the power 3, where W8 to the power 3 is equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.7071, and that's equal to minus 1 plus 0.4142 j. x4 is equal to B0 plus B4 into W8 to the power 0 into minus 1, so that W8 to the power 0 is equal to minus 1, so that x4 is equal to 0, and x5 is equal to B1 minus W8 to the power 1 into B5. x5 is equal to minus 1 minus 0.4142 j, and x6 is equal to B2 minus 1 into W8 to the power 2 into B6, so that x6 is equal to 0, and x7 is equal to B3 plus minus 1 into W8 to the power 3 into B7, and that's equal to minus 1 minus 2.4142 j. So in this way we can calculate 8-point DFT using Radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm, and inputs are as in order x0, x4, x2, x6, x1, x5, x3, x7, and outputs are in order x0, capital X0, capital X1, capital X2, capital X3, capital X4, capital X5, capital X6, and capital X7. Now if we convert this in 8-point DFT, so inputs are reordered as x0 to x7 and outputs are capital X0 is equal to 12, capital X1 is equal to -1 plus 2.4142j, capital X2 is equal to 0, capital X3 is equal to -1 plus 0.4142j, capital X4 is equal to 0, capital X5 is equal to -1 minus 0.4142j, capital X6 is equal to 0, and capital X7 is equal to -1 minus 2.4142j. Thank you.